Good morning, my all dear students of accounts for class 11th. As in the previous videos of this chapter, bills reconciliation statement, bank reconciliation statement, we have discussed the theory part of it, and today we will discuss the practical part of this. Before starting that, first of all, I want to tell you that what is the format of this bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so this is the format of bank reconciliation statement. Okay. First of all, there will be particular, then plus item and minus item. Particular, plus items and minus items. Okay. So in particular, we have to write which type of entry is this. I am telling you about balance favorable, means the balance as per cash book format of balance as per cash book today. So these will be the amount which will be added in it, and this will be amount which will be in the less column. Okay, so which amount will be added, like cash check issued but not printed for payment, interest allowed by bank, okay, amount directly deposited by the customer, etc. And in the less column, check paid into bank for collection but not collected, check paid into bank for collection but dishonored, etc. Okay, then we will add these the plus amount and write it here, and add the minus amount and write it here. Then we will minus these two amounts and our answer will be here. Okay, so let's read the illustration number 1. On 31st March 2018, the bank balance as per Rajesh Chauhan's cash book was 70,280 debit, means balance as per cash book, debit balance as per cash book. Okay, so there are 6 entries. Check issued, check for 8,400 sent for collection, have not been cleared by the bank so far. Okay, check issued but not printed for payment, etc. and etc. So before starting this question, I will directly move towards a rough table. Okay, so in this rough table we have made 2 columns, cash book and passbook. So our first entry was check sent to bank for collection. If we are sending any type of check to bank, we will think that amount will be credited. So we have written it plus, but check is not being credited by the bank. It means in the passbook, in the bank, it's still minus. So we have written minus 800. Then we have issued checks of 5,600. When we will issue any type of check, we will think that our bank account will be debited, means the cash will be minus from our bank. But that check was also not printed in the bank. It means in the bank column the amount has not been debited. Then bank has made any charges. It means bank has debited something. Bank has given interest. It means bank has credited. 2,000 directly deposited by the customer, means in the passbook 2,000 were plus, and so on, means bank has done 2 payments, so minus. These 2 amounts are in the minus side. Okay, so now we have to think that how we are making our question, means is it from cash book or passbook. We are doing this question as per cash book, so we will cross this and we will take this, means 5,600, 240 and 2,000 will be in the add side, and 8,400, 500 and 80 and 2,500 will be on the minus side. Now let me show you the solution. Here you can see. First of all, debit balance as per cash book, this amount written here. Then I have told you that 5,600, 240 and 2,000 will be in the plus column. Okay, and everything else 480 and so on will be in the credit column. Now the total of plus column will be 25,120. The total of minus column will be 11,480. When we subtract these two terms, it will be 13,640. It will be our answer. 13,640. It will be our answer. We will write here balance as per passbook, because we have started with the balance as per cash book. So our answer will be balance as per passbook. So practice this question. If you feel any type of doubt, any type of query, you can ask, and in the further videos we will do some more questions. Till then, bye bye.